Hi, I am Asrar Kadri and welcome to the very first episode of Flora Medical Tourism Podcast. Today, we are going to discuss about why Ahmedabad is emerging as one of the best destinations for high quality and affordable treatment. City offers high quality hospital, experienced doctors and easy travel options. We at Flora Holidays offers comfortable and budget friendly service apartments in Ahmedabad. In this series of podcasts, we will talk with different doctors and hospital experts so that you can choose the right treatment for yourself. I am honored and I take this opportunity to introduce my dearest friend, Dr. Manish Dhawan, a senior consultant urologist from Fusion Kidney Hospital, a leading name in medical care. Dr. Dhawan, welcome to the show.
Thank you, Asrar, for having me here on the podcast.
Dr. Dhawan, can you share your views why Ahmedabad is becoming such a popular place for international patients?
See, Ahmedabad basically is becoming a very big medical tourism hub these days, is because it is growing in a metro fashion, and the Indian doctors, as we know, are having a good expertise. Internationally, it has been quite proven in the Western world as well. The Indian doctors, those who are sitting there, are doing one of the best surgeries, and they are giving the best medical treatments to their patients. So, seeing those things in mind, and another aspect is that the infrastructure and the cost of treatment, these things also matter in comparison to the Western world.
Moving to the next question, Dr. Dhawan, could you please tell us more about Fusion Kidney Hospital, specifically the facilities and technologies that set you apart from others?
Sure. Fusion Kidney Institute is basically a uni-speciality urology institute which caters the needs of all the urological ailments and the diseases that exist under one roof. We have a big team of around 6 urologists working under one roof for various urological ailments like the stone diseases of the renal tract or the kidneys or the ureters or the bladders. So, all sorts of stone managements, the prostatic diseases, which are either benign or the malignant ones, are being treated here. Apart from that, there are other urological problems of the old age, the female urology, the pediatric urology parts, where the congenital diseases of the children, and the reconstructive urology also of the adults, where the strictures of the disease and the female incontinence of the urine surgeries. So it's a myriad of surgical interventions that we are doing under one roof. As far as the instrumentations are concerned, we have the best of modern instruments which are available here in Fusion Kidney Institute. We have all sorts of lasers and the modern equipment which is comparable to the present existing Western world. So we are proud to have them, and we are using them in a very diligent manner to give the best possible care to our patients.
This is an important question. Why do you think the international patient should travel to India or Fusion Kidney Hospital? What are they looking for?
So any international patient or an overseas patient initially does not at a first instance decides to go overseas for the treatment. The very basic thing starts from their native place. So they approach their own hospitals, their own doctors, which are there in their nearby vicinity. Many a times, there are urological ailments which require more expertise, more advanced treatment, more advanced instrumentation. And at times, they are so complicated that they are not being catered at their native place. That is the time when the patients, because of those reasons, plan to travel overseas for their betterment. So these are the few things which they are looking for when they are traveling overseas. Now, when they come to India per se, or Ahmedabad or Fusion Kidney Institute, is that they are getting the best of treatments with the best of instrumentation, which are at par with the international standards and the European standards, and the expertise, obviously, which they are getting at a very reasonable and economical cost in comparison to the Western world, is the reason what they are looking for.
Fusion Kidney Hospital work very closely with Flora Medical Tourism. What do you think about our team? How they help you or the patients before the treatment part?
See, even a scooty or a two-wheeler has got two wheels. So if you take one wheel out, it cannot function. So Even same thing happens with the international patients. When they are traveling here, they are in need definitely for the medical treatment. But apart from the medical treatment, what they need are the logistic care, their stay, their transportation, their visa cares. So there are so many aspects of it which need to be taken care of. So I'm happy to have you as my partner and the other wheel of that scooty, which make them run.
Correct, sir.
Thank you.
Dr. Dhawan, thank you very much for sharing your insightful information about Fusion Kidney Hospital and incredible work you do over here.
Thank you so much for having me.
To our listeners, if you or someone you are considering their medical treatment in India, Ahmedabad might be the right place for you. And Flora Medical Tourism is always there to help you out. Drop your questions in comments and do not forget to like, follow, and share the episode.